Ever stared up at the night sky, a canvas of infinite possibilities, and felt that profound tingle of wonder? Billions of stars, countless planets, each a potential cradle for life. It just screams aliens everywhere, doesn't it? Statistically, the universe should be practically overflowing with intelligent civilizations. So, where are all the cosmic party crashers? We've been listening intently, and we've even sent out our own interstellar hello, but all we've gotten back is crickets. Cosmic, unsettling crickets. This, my friends, is the grand cosmic head-scratcher known as the Fermi Paradox. This profound puzzle challenges our very assumptions about life in the cosmos, forcing us to confront a silence that is as deafening as it is perplexing. Back in 1950, during a casual lunch, the brilliant physicist Enrico Fermi famously threw his hands up and asked, "Seriously, where is everybody?" His question wasn't born of cynicism, but from a logical deduction based on the sheer scale and age of the universe. Our Milky Way galaxy alone boasts hundreds of billions of stars, many of them billions of years older than our sun. This vast temporal head start means any alien civilizations out there could have had eons to develop, expand, and explore. If life here on Earth is any indication, once it gets going, it tends to spread, adapt, and diversify with astonishing resilience. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life finds a way. So, if intelligent life is a natural cosmic outcome, and even a tiny fraction of these ancient civilizations developed space travel or superpowered communication, they should have colonized the galaxy by now, or at least left a giant "we were here" sign. We possess the technology to send and receive signals across vast distances, and there are plenty of theoretically habitable planets practically next door. So, really, what's the deal? The absence of evidence in this case feels like evidence of absence, or perhaps something far more unsettling. Now, for a truly chilling yet oddly logical answer to Fermi's cosmic silence, let's delve into the dark forest hypothesis. This idea, popularized by the visionary Chinese science fiction author Liu Cixin in his novel The Dark Forest, paints the universe not as a friendly neighborhood, but as a vast, dark, and very dangerous forest. Imagine every civilization in this forest as a super stealthy hunter, tiptoeing through the trees, barely breathing, making no sound. Why the extreme caution? Because everywhere else in this forest are other hunters, just as silent, just as armed, and equally paranoid. If one hunter spots another, doesn't matter if they appear angelic or like a grumpy space goblin, there's only one logical move. Shoot first, ask questions never. In this cosmic jungle, silence isn't just polite, it's the ultimate survival hack. It's less a scary story and more a grim cosmic game theory in action, a strategic conclusion for rational beings in a universe that doesn't send out friendly vibes. The very act of revealing one's presence becomes an existential threat, a beacon for potential destruction. This cosmic sociology theory operates under a few key, terrifyingly logical rules. First, the universe is packed with civilizations, like a galactic, bustling city, though one where everyone is hiding. The sheer number of stars and planets makes this a statistical inevitability. Second, everyone's top priority is survival. No surprises there. It's the fundamental drive of all life. Third, civilizations always want to expand, driven by resource needs, curiosity, or inherent biological imperatives. But the universe's resources are, well, finite. This creates an inherent competition, a zero-sum game for existence. Here's where it gets really spicy. Add the chain of suspicion and technological explosion. The chain of suspicion means even if two civilizations aren't inherently evil, the sheer uncertainty about the other's intentions forces them to assume the absolute worst. Communication across light years is slow, ambiguous, and prone to misinterpretation. If you can't be 100% sure they won't zap you, then zapping them first is your safest bet. It's a cosmic prisoner's dilemma where cooperation is too risky. And technological explosion? That's the kicker. A civilization that looks like a bunch of space cavemen today could, in a cosmic blink, invent something that makes them an unstoppable threat. You simply can't afford to wait and find out if their intentions are benign or malevolent. This isn't just a sci-fi plot. It's a cold, hard strategic conclusion for rational beings in a universe that offers no guarantees of peace. The dark forest hypothesis often intertwines with another concept attempting to explain the Fermi Paradox, the Great Filter. This theory posits that somewhere along the evolutionary path from simple life to a galaxy-colonizing civilization, there exists a formidable barrier, a filter that prevents most life from progressing further. This filter could be in our past, meaning intelligent life is incredibly rare, e.g., the origin of life, the jump to complex multicellularity, the development of intelligence. If so, we are incredibly lucky and perhaps alone. Alternatively, the Great Filter could be in our future. This is the truly terrifying prospect. It suggests that civilizations inevitably reach a point where they destroy themselves, perhaps through technological self-annihilation, nuclear war, runaway AI, environmental collapse, or by encountering an insurmountable cosmic obstacle. The dark forest hypothesis, in a way, suggests a future Great Filter, the universe itself, where any civilization that becomes too visible is swiftly eliminated by others. The silence, then, isn't just empty space, it's a graveyard. Of course, not everyone's buying this cosmic horror story. Some smart folks argue that attacking another civilization across light years would be incredibly risky and expensive for the attacker, potentially revealing their location to other hidden hunters. It's a cosmic catch-22. Trying to enforce the shoot-first rule might just expose you. The energy requirements for interstellar warfare are astronomical, making it an impractical endeavor unless resources are truly scarce and the target is easily accessible. Then there's the dumb alien theory, or more accurately, the different alien theory. It asks, why do we assume aliens would be either totally clueless or super evil? Maybe their super advanced brains work on a whole different moral operating system, or they perceive reality in ways we can't even fathom. Perhaps our human ideas of survival, expansion, and conflict are just quaint. Maybe they're too busy binge-watching cosmic Netflix, or exploring dimensions beyond our comprehension to care about our little corner of the galaxy. Perhaps they've evolved beyond physical forms and communication as we know it, existing as pure energy or consciousness, rendering our radio signals utterly meaningless. Other theories abound. The zoo hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations are aware of us but choose not to interfere, observing us like animals in a cosmic zoo until we reach a certain level of development. The planetarium hypothesis takes this further, suggesting our entire observable universe is a simulation designed by an advanced civilization. The transcension hypothesis posits that advanced life forms inevitably move inward, creating vast, efficient computational structures within black holes or other compact regions, leaving the vast emptiness of space behind. Or perhaps the rare Earth hypothesis is true, and the specific conditions required for complex, intelligent life are so incredibly rare that we truly are alone, or nearly so. It's good to keep an open mind, right? So, what's the takeaway for us Earthlings? Is talking to aliens a cosmic no-no? The dark forest hypothesis certainly makes a compelling, if utterly terrifying, case for keeping our mouths shut in space. It forces us to consider that the biggest danger out there might not be black holes or supernovas, but other folks. Or, well, other aliens. The very act of broadcasting our presence, of sending out our hello, could be akin to a child shouting in a dark, dangerous forest. The debate over active SETI, search for extraterrestrial intelligence, versus METI, messaging extraterrestrial intelligence, is more urgent than ever. Should we continue to send powerful signals into the cosmos, hoping for a reply, or should we embrace a strategy of cosmic stealth? The answer remains elusive, shrouded in the vast unknowns of the universe. But whether the universe is a silent, dangerous forest or a bustling, hidden metropolis, one thing's for sure. Our quest to understand our place in the cosmos is far from over. It's a journey packed with wonder, mystery, and maybe, just maybe, a healthy dose of cosmic caution. What are your thoughts on the dark forest? Should we keep shouting into the void or maybe just whisper? The implications of these theories extend beyond mere scientific curiosity. They touch upon our very survival and our understanding of intelligence itself. Share your insights and theories in the comments below. Let's continue this fascinating discussion about humanity's place in the vast, enigmatic cosmos. And if you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, make sure to like this video, share it with your fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe for more mind-bending journeys through the universe. Your engagement helps us explore these profound questions together.